Well, here we go, guys. It is the third camping trip on the land. Super excited to be here. I'm about a half day behind schedule. I had a little bit of an accident on my way out. I'll put a link to that video if you haven't seen it already. But super excited to be here. You can tell that we definitely got some rain. It is greened up a little bit, and yeah, it's definitely greener. Some of the little ponds that some of the neighbors have that have been dry are filled up, which is pretty cool to see. So definitely a little greener. So I'm happy to see that we've had some land. The wifey and the little dude are going to be here shortly, and then my buddy Terrence and his wife and son are going to be here as well. So really looking forward to it. We are all set up. It is windy. We got chairs blowing over. Still gotta unload the big ATV, but the little guy's ATV is unloaded. And man, you can totally tell that it's rained here. The grass here last time was all brown, and it is green, which is awesome. Super happy about that. It is not nearly as dusty. The road was not dusty. And it is definitely storming up on those mountains. I think that's why it's so windy. But it doesn't seem like the storms from those mountains come towards us. It seems like usually if we get any rain, it comes right over these mountains and then it hits us. But we will see. We got the generator going with the air conditioner running because it was 100 degrees out when we left. It's about 80 degrees here, which is a welcome change. It feels fantastic here. With the breeze, it's probably like 75-ish. Feels really good. Little dudes in the little dune buggy. What are you guys doing? You're stuck. You guys are stuck.
Okay, ready? Put it in gear.
These guys made it here. Getting things all set up. Yeah. Yeah. Power wheels. The wind died down. It was super windy earlier. Now it's good. Well, it is morning. Nice and early, 6 a.m. Sun is just rising. Super peaceful out. Stayed up pretty late last night, probably till about 1 or so. So we wish we would have slept in, but that's all right. We'll get a nice early start on the day.
Okay, let's see what you're gonna make. Barnyard finger puppets. Oh.
Hey, what's going on over here? What are you doing?
Making vegetables.
You're making some vegetables. Did you build this barn?
Mommy helped a little bit.
Mommy helped a little bit? Nice.
The animals in our barn.
Ooh, nice. Just getting things going. Coffee is brewing. Super nice. So I had an accident with the camper, and this is what's left of my 100-watt panel. Luckily, I was able to salvage it, and the charge controller didn't break in the accident, and I was able to rewire everything, and we are still bringing in solar. Not quite the amount of energy we were before, but it is hooked up and good. Ooh, yummy! It smells so good! Making some breakfast here. It's getting warm. It's like 9 something. We're getting some good solar right now on the half panel. Terrence and I are gonna work on this contraption, and we are gonna hopefully be able to make a trail, kind of grade the driveway. What are we doing here, sir?
We gotta take this spring off and take the latch off, so then we can use this as a sleigh or something to pull behind the ATV to help knock down all the cactus and bushes.
See, we got it
Some
hooked
weight on it.
This is all stuff that the previous dude left us. So we're gonna try to tow it behind the ATV and make a bit of a trail. But man, is it warming up. It was pleasant earlier, now it's hot. There's the little dudes, go, run, run, run! Still in pajamas, yeah! What are you guys doing over here?
Follow us.
Follow you guys? What are you guys doing? Hunting for cactus?
Last time me and Theo were over here, and there was a cactus here.
There was a cactus here? Did you guys get the cactus?
Yeah, but it was a half of it. Oh, cactus!
Cactus? Oh, it's a little one.
Oh my goodness.
Our usual breakfast burritos.
Okay.
Some bacon, cheese, guac, some potatoes. It's getting windy. Here is what Terrence and I rigged up. A little dragger. We're hoping to be able to make a little bit of a trail. We are doing some grooming. Yeah. We need to tweak our design a little bit. We're gonna get some ratchet straps. But we are definitely tearing stuff up on the driveway. You can see we pulled up some of those rocks straight ahead. And yeah, it's working great. Version 2.0. There we go. I think it's gonna work out better. We are ripping this up. It is doing great. Look at that. Redneck ingenuity. So the little dudes are down for a nap. Terrence and I are taking a break from our grading, but man, that thing is working awesome. You can see the path that we've gotten there. It's getting warm, so we got our generators running. With the AC going, because it's in the upper 80s, and the little dudes are napping inside the campers. Terrence and I are just hanging out. Gonna go for a little hike. Terrence and I are just out exploring. Big old tree that fell. Kind of towards the front of the property here. Look at what we found here. Crazy. Super intact. Hey, what do you guys do? What are we doing?
We have cactus behind
What do you got? What do you guys got over here? We're cactus hunting. What's on your shovel? Oh yeah, cactus. Cactus, cactus, cactus. Little dudes are so excited to pick up cactus. Bye guys. These guys are heading out. They're going to the zoo tomorrow. So it is just the family here. It's been thundering and lightning and threatening to rain, but it has not yet. It's kind of spitting right now. Yummy spaghetti. Oh, it smells so good.
First.
Yeah, camping first.
I've never done this before.
Never had spaghetti.
Camping.
Just, yeah, exactly. I just graded the driveway one more time as Renee was cooking. It's starting to rain finally. Definitely happy for that. Hey, what do you have on your head? Hey. Wasn't that your pasta bowl? You little weirdo. Oh, we just had some amazing spaghetti. And it's still raining, not hard, it's just a nice light rain. And man, has it cooled off. This is what we do when it rains. Listen to camperman music.
Break it down, George.
Hey, George, what song is this? This is your song? Oh, it is still raining out. So we are just going to put the little guy down, and then Mom and me are probably just going to read inside. It's cooled down quite a bit. It's 61. So we will see you guys in the morning. Now that is a nice sunrise. Went to sleep, it was raining, and woke up and it's raining. It's about 5:45 a.m. We may just be packing up and leaving if this is how it's going to be all day. There is a rainbow. Whew. That's cold, I'm going back in. Well, Renee and the little guy just left. It's about 8:30. It's been raining kind of on and off this morning. On the way out, I let those guys out and grade the driveway another time. I'm going to do that a few more times. It's not so dusty right now. It's super nice to do the grading. And it's definitely making a difference, you can see. But do that, make a couple camperman videos, and head out. Prior to this weekend, this little loop did not exist. With the help of Terrence making that little grader thing, I drove around here probably like 7 times. And now we have the start of a nice little loop for camping. So thank you, Terrence, for the help building our little grader. And then I went up and down the driveway probably 5 times. And that's getting a lot better. I'm excited to load up and see how it is. See if it's not as bumpy as it was before. Definitely a good start and a nice tool that we're going to be able to use here on the land. I'm going to cut some trails with it. Well guys, that pretty much does it for this trip video. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, throw a thumbs up. And I really look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and for sure, back at the land.